Hello, my name is Dr. Imran Qazi, and I'm working as a consultant child psychiatrist in Kent NHS. Today I'm speaking to yourself with regards to the uncertain times we're living in, and almost everybody's very anxious and worried about it. If you are feeling stressed about the COVID-19 pandemic, your brain isn't misfiring. Stress is a normal, healthy biological response to perceived threats and challenges. It's a response that gets us ready to act, to protect ourselves and our loved ones. But too much stress can also hijack our abilities to reason through a situation. It can put us in a fight, fright, or freeze mode, even if that's not a helpful reaction. And as much as possible, we want to be responsive instead of reactive. Research shows that just being in the presence of a compassionate, safe adult can help kids calm down. As families, we can be that person for each other. Children, as we know, are mostly spending time at home. Schools have been closed as part of the campaign that the government is running at the moment and the guidelines we have received, which includes social isolation and self-distancing. However, we also know that families are spending more and more time together. As our family structure and family dynamics exist, children have the close contact with nans, and they have a role in the natural nurturing and upbringing. However, we also know that the elderly population is at a far higher risk. We can also engage our children by giving them a structure and a daily routine. One of the acronyms that I've come up with, which you might find helpful, is called HOSE, just like a garden hose, so HOSE, where H stands for am I hungry? O, am I overstimulated? S, do I need sleep? E, do I need exercise? Following this acronym, families would find it hopefully much easier to manage their children at home. Thank you very much for listening. Stay safe and look after each other.